three, scream! Come on!
Main stage. Radio SI Main Stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us here at the RTV Center in Maribor, and thank you for tuning in live. We'd like to welcome to the stage, Irma.
Should it rain upon our street for a day, maybe two, I'll save some for me, but what's in it for you? When eyes painted bright grow heavy with time, one glance and you'll see if they're yours, if they're mine. We left every color, all burgundy blues. One glance and I'll see who bloom and who blues. Should march an anthem, won't sit on a cloud. Oh, I'll value the world, I'll promise out loud. Should hands of a woman be turning the wheel, I'll find something new, something red, something teal. One glance and you feel who'll go and who'll stay. I've watched the heart wither and die on the vine. I stopped and I felt the one waiting in line. When yellow pond lilies are fading to teal, one glance and you know the blue that I feel. We sit on the bench at the crossing of time. One glance and you learn that I'm yours and you're mine. Eno lepo dopoldne za vse, ki poslušate in ste na cestah ali pa doma. Mi smo Irma, danes ekskluzivno z celim bendom predstavljamo pa EP The Garden of Edna. There's a house on the hill, the trees covered in sun. But Marine stood and stared like a child on the run. There in your soul will lead you nowhere, out of sight, broken and bare. There's a house on the hill, its wings covered in snow. But Marie stood and stared as if there's nowhere to go. An abundance of dreams at the hind of nowhere, out of mind, brazen and broken and rare. Where the starry fields grow wider and the rest is sinking, where the heart grows lighter, I do my blue sky thinking that I've got nothing to my name, nothing but an angry letter that would struggle to compose a madman's mind. And they say that it's a shame to be traveling in this weather for a king and his valley of the pine. This time where the concrete walls grow colder and the starry fields are burning, while I watched us growing older, I found no use in yearning. Still I got nothing to my name but some cigarettes and grazes, and it suddenly amazes me how I'm still so awfully the same, personalities and phases. But excuse me sir, I'm only passing by this time. Oh, there was snow on the top of the hill, wild children at sea were still gasping for air. We were children who leave from the sowing, while making up names for the children we'll bear. Now some fall down the stairs, some are tied to a chair. Sometimes lovers will scare, sometimes sirens will blare. Between truth and a dare, between one and a pair. Sometimes seconds will feel like they're moving fucking nowhere, and then others will stare as they break into a prayer. They will tell you to smile, they'll be brushing your hair, and it never is fair how we tend to compare the lost 6 days of rain. Marine, they're selling your place now, where you stayed with your mother for days now. And she said once she is off our beaten track, she might never find her way back. Marine, they will lower the swings now, where you swayed with your father for years now. And he said once she is gone and her mind starts to roam, she might never wander back home. And once she has lost all sense of belonging, I wonder which heart I've been wronging. And we'll go on consensually longing. To je bila skladba Consensual Longing. Sedaj pa sledi en stari hit, Brighter Ways. Medtem ko se Urška štima kitaro, lahko povem, kdo je z nami tukaj. Imamo čudovitega Žana Hebarja na perkašnu, Jaka Krušič-Krule na basu, Matjaž Skaza na bobnih, Tin Vele na kitari. Trenutno ga še ni z nami, oziroma je že bil, pa še pride na saksofonu Grega Skaza. Imamo tudi našo najljubšo terco Anjo Hrastovšek. Hvala, da nas poslušate. Tell by the way you look down on me, baby, I can tell that you'd want me to stay. Though I hadn't the slightest clue of what it takes to care for you on your brightest days. Now I wish there were brighter ways. We had left at all costs, for joy looked better commanded. But halfway there I got lost, and yet you demanded I'd love you some more. Who's to say what laughter is for? We had followed the way, yet only when roads were descending. You'd ask me if I should stay. No, you were demanding I'd love you some more. Who's to say what freedom is for? on the door. Who's to say what a woman is for? I can tell by the way you look down on me, baby. I can tell that you want me to stay. Though I hadn't the slightest clue what it takes to care for you on your brightest days. Now I wish there were brighter ways. Though I hadn't the slightest clue what that leaves along with you, I regret the pace. Still I wish there were brighter ways. How I wish there were brighter ways. Now I wish there were brighter ways. Paul was a stand-up guy. He tried to be relatable. He got a dog, he bought a house, he swam in an inflatable pool. A white-collar fool. Jane owned a flower shop. She tried to be mysterious. She had a few addictions and a couple of delirious friends who wanna see how this all ends, who wanna find out who to blame when the world comes crashing down on Paul and Jane. Well, it takes two to be one too many. Why can't we be more like George and Jenny? Well, nothing and nobody's gonna save us from the rain. Paul always got his money's worth, but wished he was an altruist. He had some problems with himself, but none were worth his therapist's time. To let it lie. Jane found herself at 35, still waiting on that record deal. She was short on friends she liked, but never thought that one day she would mind how they watch her life unwind, how they search for one to blame when the world came crashing down on Paul and Jane. Is it us or is it life that's getting in the way? I love me to be quiet too, but I've got so much to say. Is it fear of seasons change? You're not the one I've known. But should I hear the sweet heartbreak? I feel it as my own. What if we've gone insane? What if none of us remain when the world comes crashing down on Paul and Jane? Well, it takes two to be one too many. Why can't we be more like George and Jenny? Well, A well-paved road has led a man to differ from the lot. Simply put, from where I stood, he could, while I could not. With stronger hands, he built a dam, and I stopped running as I am. But does the poor man know that luck ain't something you possess? That he who hands it out is a monarch in a dress. Brother, don't you use some heavy tools for such a little man. And I'm sure they let you bend some rules. You just used up all you can. Get your dirty little hands on. Why should I hold you with my hands in gloves when you never own a pair? When a heart had seen a man that loves, believe me, I was there, and I had nothing but a heart on. So please be seated while the lady favors those in luck, the ones that tend to smile and like to be. And how you plead, it may not matter when she's on the clock. Yes, I could tell you now, but I'm sure you'll see. It's a special kind of condescending to glaze your words with glass-made eyes. And I'm sure it can't be so demanding to sift the pretty from the lies when you put that little smile on. And you can go around telling I've been begging to be loved and to be harmed. But the truth is, brother, you've been dragging to kill a girl who came unarmed. Yes, I had nothing but a smile on. So please be seated while the lady favors those in luck, the ones that tend to smile and like to be. And how you plead, it may not matter when she's on the clock. Yes, I could tell you now, but I'm sure you'll see. So please be quiet, sir, our lady is about to talk. You wouldn't want to get her all upset. Now don't deny it when your river's running out of luck. And if she comes asking me, we never met, and all that you have heard was never said. And all that you have heard was never said. I thought of 1,000 ways to say goodbye, but I found a million ways of how I love you. And good love was wasted on the sad. Not quite ready to face it, baby, don't get mad. We spoke of 1,000 lives we've yet to lead, but somehow it seems I still haven't found the one worth living. I'll stay right here. Stay here where I ain't all there is. Well, love ain't all there is. You treated all us good, not knowing if I could, not knowing if they could. A dream of mine is a love that's all there is. You treated all us good, not knowing if I could, not knowing if I could. You spoke of 1,000 hearts you've yet to meet, yet failed to mend the one that you've been given. They're too young to raise them for you, dear. A good dream, you can chase them, but I'll stay right here. You came to stay and wait to say goodbye, yet failed to find the words of how you love me. And good love lies wasted in my bed, too far gone now to taste it. Baby, don't get mad. Za vse, ki ste tukaj na novo, mi smo Irma, hvala, da nas poslušate. Zaigrali bomo še zadnji komad in sicer eno za vse gospodinje, Country Club at 5. I shot my new baby with a baby blue gun. And if they ask why I did it, say I did it for fun. Don't wait for me, madam, I'll be gone for a while. And if they ask how I've done it, tell them I did it in style. It's awfully confusing just what makes you a wife. If I should own an apron, why can't I hold a knife? Don't laugh at me, madam, you don't get it quite yet. But I swear once you do, you get the same one I had. No man, I can't just sit and wait for God to come and set him straight. It's been so long since I felt alive. I didn't mean to seal his fate, but God would not cooperate. And I made dinner plans at a country club at 5. I went to the courthouse as any good housewife would. Though I could not stay, I really do wish I could. Please say to the jury that I'm late for my flight. And if they wanna come with, tell them I'm buying tonight. Oh man, I can't just sit and wait for God to come and set him straight. It's been so long since I felt alive. I didn't mean to seal his fate, but God would not cooperate. And I made dinner plans at a country club at 5. Damn, it's true to stop and stare. You don't know, cause you weren't there. And truth be told, I'm feeling quite alive. I'm telling you, don't count on God. He'd help, but he'd rather not, cause he made dinner plans at a country club at 5. Oh damn, I can't just sit and wait for God to come and set him straight. It's been so long since I felt alive. I didn't mean to seal his fate, but God would not cooperate. And I made dinner plans at a country club at 5. Damn, it's true to stop and stare. You don't know, cause you were there. And truth be told, I'm feeling quite alive. I'm telling you, don't count on God. He'd help, but he'd rather not, cause he made dinner plans at a country club at 5. Yes, he made dinner plans at a country club at 5. We made dinner plans at a country club at 5.
1, 2, 3, scream! Come on!
Main stage. Radio SI main stage.